A very common mistake that happens within the estate planning practice in general is the lack of funding, or what is called a transfer. Funding or transfer is basically when you've created a trust and you fail or you fail. Funding or transfer is when you take the particular asset and put it inside the trust. So you'll hear me use that terminology in this video, funding or transfer. That's what I'm talking about. Now, this mistake is pretty detrimental in estate planning in general, but it can be devastating within the Medi-Cal context. And this is what we are going to discuss in this video. Why is funding such a crucial mistake in Medi-Cal planning? Greetings, my name is Phancao with the Asset Protection Center. I am an estate planning attorney focused in the field of asset protection and health law out in the state of California and Florida. So let's look at it. You have elected to do Medi-Cal planning and choose to do so in order to protect your assets. And the funding that takes place, the transferring of those assets inside the trust will cause what is called the tolling of the look-back period. Look-back period is basically when the Medi-Cal office looks at all your assets and say, hey, when did you transfer any of your assets during a certain timeline? We will penalize you for that. And the goal is to have those assets hit what is called the neutral point, if you will, the break-even point. This is where, at that point, there will not be any more penalties incurred for the assets transferred. So, once again, why is that so detrimental in Medi-Cal planning? Because no matter what the documents say, if you didn't transfer it inside the trust, within Medi-Cal context, for that office, it's as if you had not done anything. And the penalty that you were hoping to dodge ends up hurting you that much more because no transfer actually took place. So when doing a Medi-Cal planning, remember that is the #1 mistake, lack of transfer of funds. Do not fall victim of that. If you want to find out more, go to assetprotectioncenter.com or call me at 714-966-2646. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.